Lychee is a tropical fruit that is native to China. It's a small, round fruit with a rough, textured outer skin that ranges in color from pink to red. Inside, the fruit is juicy and translucent with a white, fleshy pulp that surrounds a large seed. Lychee has been cultivated in China for over 2,000 years and has been a popular delicacy for generations. It was even a favorite fruit of the Tang Dynasty Emperor, Li Longji. From China, the fruit spread to other parts of Asia, including India, Vietnam, and Thailand. In the 18th century, lychee made its way to the West, where it quickly became popular among royalty and the upper classes. Today, lychee is grown around the world in tropical regions, including parts of Africa, Australia, South America, and the United States. So what makes lychee so special? For one, it has a unique flavor that is both sweet and tangy. Some describe it as a mix between a grape and a pear, while others say it tastes like a blend of strawberries and watermelon. No matter how you describe it, there's no denying that lychee has a flavor that stands out from other fruits. But lychee isn't just delicious, it also has several health benefits. For example, lychee is a good source of vitamin C, which can help boost your immune system and protect your body from harmful free radicals. It also contains antioxidants that may help reduce the risk of certain diseases, such as heart disease and cancer. In addition, lychee has been used in traditional Chinese medicine for centuries to treat a variety of ailments, including digestive issues and coughs. Some studies have even suggested that lychee extract may have anti-inflammatory properties that could benefit people with certain types of arthritis. We hope you enjoyed learning about the fascinating world of lychee in this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this.